Beat Squad. Yo, what is up, guys? Yo, 19 days left until we move out to the new crib. I can't wait. So that means 20 days left until we get the new four-wheeler. Ooh, guys, we got some stuff cooking. But let's get to the video. This wasn't a vlog or anything like that. This just had me rolling. I had this from yesterday, and I was like, yo, you guys need to see this. Fatty had somebody on the back of his 150R, and he was trying to wheelie with them, but the faces he was making, it just had me rolling. I think you guys would really enjoy it. I'm sorry this is not a long vlog, but tomorrow, I promise you, a long, funny, cool. We're gonna include everything in this vlog for tomorrow. So make sure you stay tuned tomorrow. But right now, get this freaking video a thumbs up and comment down below. 19 days. 19 days, guys. 19. That's two, but 19. Let's start the video.
Gucci gang, 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 Gucci gang. Spread their racks on new chain. My all I do is count racks.
Yo, squad, everybody's mad at me because we're supposed to be riding. Oh, but what's up, guys? B squad, how you guys doing today? Look at these, everybody. I'm done.
Got time.
Dang. Bro, I had these bathroom, bro.
Right,
I had these. It did fall out.
You cleaned the toilet.
I did clean the toilet. Don't worry. Y'all exposing what I'm doing.
Yo,
to the vlog.
I'ma stay.
You're not riding?
Bro, look at my gas. I'm not making it to the gas station empty.
Oh, that sucks.
It sucks.
Yeah, okay. Bye. Y'all heard today we late today, but we still out. Wait, Shane, show me something. Oh, I forgot. Shane broke the thing. Very crazy, y'all. He got somebody on the back. I feel like somebody gonna fall. Got the cops up there. We ain't worried about it though. We don't even care. We got my baby on the back. Shane with the broken lever. Fatty over there riding. Louis. He fucking his butt out. Fatty poking his gun. Oh. Huh? Look at the moon. It's a full moon? Nah, it ain't a full moon. It's almost, guys. Woo. Yo, but I didn't even introduce the vlog. B squad, yo. Oh my God, I almost fell. Babe, hold this. Go ahead. I'm about to introduce it. I'm about to do my introduction while I ride. This relationship goes right here. Oh. B squad, yo, how you guys doing today? We starting on the vlog on the top right here. We ain't worried about it. People. Go, keep pushing.